Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the University Grants Commission's official public notice released on 27th March 2021. So here this public notice is regarding the continuance of the UGC schemes up to 31st March 2022. So in this video, we are going to see what are the different schemes are providing by the UGC, and these schemes are extended up to 31st March 2022. Fine. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. To the present content of the video, so in this notice itself, you can check down. In continuation to the public notice of event number dated 27th October 2020 and the decision taken by the Commission in its meeting held on 18th Feb 2021, it is informed to all concerned that the UGC schemes mentioned in the annexure have been extended up to 31st March 2022. Okay, and while coming to here, the different schemes are mentioned. Okay, I will just read the schemes. MOOCs, Swayam, and establishment of centers in universities for study of social exclusion and inclusive policy, and women studies in higher education institutions, and equal opportunity cell, that is coaching scheme for the SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and minority students for universities and colleges. That means as per this scheme, the candidates who belongs to SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and the minority, you are going to get the free coaching classes for the national eligibility test that you may check down here. So coaching for the national eligibility test or the state eligibility test for SC, ST, OBC and non-creamy layer and minority community students. So regarding this one, okay, which universities are providing this facility, I will make one video, okay, in my next 2 to 3 days. Okay, so to get my videos as a notifications, okay, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Next, schemes for persons with disabilities in universities and colleges. Next, UGC research awards for faculty, UGC fellowships for postdoctoral researches, and UGC fellowships for doctoral students, and UGC scholarships for postgraduate students. Okay, that is PG Indira Gandhi scholarship for single girl child, PG scholarship for university rank holders, PG scholarship for SC ST students to pursue the professional courses, and PG scholarship for GATE qualified students for ME or the MTech. Fine. Next, UGC scholarship for undergraduate students under the Ishan Uday Special Scholarship Scheme for NER, and networking resource centers, and Maulana Azad National Fellowship for minority students, and National Fellowship for students with disabilities, and National Fellowship for SC candidates, and National Fellowship for OBC, and autonomous colleges, National Skills Qualification Framework, and UGC chairs in universities, and HRD Center, and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and establishment of Center for fostering social responsibility and community engagement in the university, and next, establishment or upgradation of Hindi departments, and scheme of seminar or symposium or conference for colleges, and travel grant for college teachers, epoch making social thinkers of India, and STRIDE, that is scheme for transdisciplinary research for Indians developing economy, and e-content development project, that is submission of assistance from UGC under NME ICT, and funding support to universities for the study and research in indigenous and endangered languages of India, and care list, that is it is a journals list, and special assistance program, and center with potential for excellence in particular area, and colleges with potential for excellence, college of excellence. Fine. So these are the total 32 schemes are there, and these 32 schemes are continued or else extended to the 31st March 2022. Fine. So the candidates who belongs to these schemes, okay, so you may proceed, guys, and share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, that any one of the scheme may mean needy to any one of the person. So please share this video, and to get the more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And candidates who are preparing for the UGC Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide